point charge equals K, the source, divided by R squared, right? That's the formula. Therefore, for these two, you have K cubed divided by this distance. This distance. You have to calculate this distance, right? If the side is A, what's this? We'll assume this is R, for example. R equals what? If this is R, what,
it's
how
the
about
square
this?
of it minus.
This is also R, right?
Yes.
This is also R. In this triangle, this is 90 degrees, right?
Yes. It's R
This is
plus
A,
R
this is
squared.
R, this is also R. Therefore, according to
squared.
Pythagorean theorem,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Therefore, you have A squared equals 2R squared, and A squared over 2 equals R squared. Therefore, R equals what?
Square root of A squared over 2.
That's it, right?
Oh my goodness. Dr. Drew, I would never get that in 1,000,000 years, if that matters. I would never have got that.
Probably in the exam, you're going to have this again.
Doctor, I work on this for hours.
It's
For no point.
It's
For
worth it.
pointless.
Therefore, here, after the square is A squared over 2, right? Plus another one, K cubed A squared over 2. Basically, you have two of them. Those two are identical in magnitude. Both the same thing. And for this part, it's going to be these two. Right? All these two are identical also due to symmetry. Therefore, you have K cubed still this. That's it. That's your solution. The whole thing here, X component. The whole thing here, Y component. That's
Okay,
your solution.
we assign no positive and negative values? We
Yes,
assign...
you do have positive. If you said this is X, this is Y, therefore these two are positive, right? These two backward, therefore are negative.
Okay.
Therefore you just put a negative sign over here. That's it. And inside the parenthesis, the same thing. Just this one is negative, this one is positive. And if you change the coordinate system, your solution will be changed. But I don't care. If you set up your own coordinate system, which is different from mine, still okay.
I knew basically the idea except for the R. I mean, I understood the idea except for how to figure out R, I guess.
For the first situation, if I were you, I will say, due to symmetry of the system, the total field at the center is 0. That's enough. You don't have to do anything else. And the second part, you have to do it this way. Write down something on the paper.
Sometimes when we do that, you would say to us, okay, then prove it. If we say, oh, do symmetry.
Did I ask before?
No,
That
but
way?
I would be afraid I lose points if I put this. Do symmetry.
But that's a good point. If you ask yourself, prove it. Yeah, that's good. 16 is easy, huh?
Not for me.
I think I got
Is that
it.
0 too? No.
It's not 0, but I know how
Which
to prove
way
it.
does it point? Find electric field
It's
midpoint.
I didn't know which way it
A
pointed.
pair, opposite charge.
I think I did the other part.
That's an easy one.
Yeah.
One chart here positive, one chart here negative. You connect them and pick out the middle point. That's Q, that's negative Q, right? That's the middle point. Find the electric field at the middle point. Oh, that's so easy, huh? Okay, answer me. This is a positive charge. What's the direction of the field here? Left or right?
And this point is right.
You have to put here a positive test charge, right?
Right.
They repel, therefore you have field E positive Q here, right?
Okay.
And how about the field generated by this one on this
It's
location?
negative.
Same way.
Go this way?
No.
For
You can put a positive
charge,
charge here, they attract.
Right.
Therefore, another one goes this direction. This is from the negative
Darn.
charge, right? Therefore, the total field will equal to E positive Q plus E negative Q.
That's good.
And are these
Yeah,
two vectors same magnitude?
yes.
Yes,
Yeah, it's the same.
because the distance to the midpoint is the same. Therefore, this one is basically what? K times positive Q divided by 1.5 meters square, right? Then plus second one, K negative Q, 1.5 square. But you already figured out the direction, therefore you have no negative sign here. Okay, just pick up the magnitude, put them together in the direction of x, right?
I don't know where that one
And that's it.
I can't put it up right.
If you put down a negative sign here, these two terms cancel, that's wrong, right? You only play the game here in magnitude, because the direction here is very clear.
went. How'd you get the 1.5 again?
Well, total distance is 3 meters.
Oh,
Yeah.
And therefore the midpoint, the distance here 1.5, distance here also 1.5.
I'll just say that.
Got it? This is the easiest one, I guess.
Can you put that one as like one of our test problems?
He just said that
It's
because he got
possible.
it right. He got it right.
5
No,
points.
that one like actually kind of made the whole thing click in my head on how to do these. This problem right here, because it was so easy that I could do it at home
You see this
without
one?
having to cry about it.
This one is basically,
You won't put it on there.
this is a part of that one.
Yeah, like I got, see that one I got
I just get
14A. I just couldn't figure out how to set up 14B.
Oh, very, even though
I
they're
don't know.
legitimate.
Whenever you need a parameter, you assume it is what? Then just follow it.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just having a
Because I
problem
feel like he
assuming.
taught
Yeah.
us.
Try to be a boss, not an employee, okay?
Yeah.
But then the middle one does